Hello from southern Italy, and it is gelato time of year. Well, isn't all year round gelato time of year? But now is summer and it is properly gelato time. Let's try some of the best gelato in all of Italy. Ciao, bentornati sul mio canale, oppure benvenuti. If we've never met before, hi, I'm Katie. Vivo in Puglia, vivo qua con mio marito Connor. Ci siamo trasferiti qua da Londra, ma sono americana. Siamo americani. E questo video è grazie a Brian. Brian is a member of my Patreon community. We call ourselves the Quirky Club. We have so much fun. If you're interested in joining and supporting these videos, check it out. We have monthly live chats. They get exclusive monthly recipes, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of great stuff. Anyway, Brian, he's the man. He told me about this incredible gelateria very close to where I live.
Well, when I looked at it on the map, I was just like, it's in her backyard. So I came across this place, gelateria, several months ago.
It's called Mokambo, and considering that he had never been there, he knew a whole lot about it.
The recipe that they use has been in their family for 180 years. Yes, and the machine that they use to actually churn the gelato after it's all come together, they don't even make those machines anymore. It's a vertical ice cream machine. And so the bucket spins like this, and then you've got the blade down in there, and it spins like this. And they make their own chocolate. And they have got different cacao beans in jars.
And I was like, I'm gonna have to try this.
So I can really, you know, give you the scoop. The scoop?
Yep.
That was a pun.
And I'm bringing Connor with me.
Yeah, dude.
This gelateria is in a small town called Ruvo di Puglia. It's known for all the things Brian mentioned, as well as their creation that comes in at 70 euro, the King's Scepter. It's a family-run business with quite a history. I'm here to investigate. Questo è Vincenzo. A dire la verità, stavo sorpresa che tu e tua sorella,
sì.
Giulia, siete giovane.
Sì,
non è una nonna, una
sì.
nonna italiana che fa.
Allora, in realtà, che in Italia pochi, forse pochissimi, fanno il vero gelato artigianale. Il gelato vero, quello fatto di 3 ingredienti, non lo fa più nessuno. Il latte, sicuramente. Lo zucchero per la dolcezza e le uova per la struttura. Fine.
E basta.
Basta. Tutto il resto per me è oltre l'artigianale. Poi vogliamo aggiungere la nocciola? È un ingrediente naturale, la nocciola, quindi sono 4 ingredienti.
Vincenzo's sister Giulia makes the gelato based off of their family's 180-year-old recipe.
Perché semplicemente la mia scuola, la mia università è il mio zio, è la mia famiglia. Io sono la 4ª generazione della mia famiglia.
E sempre hai saputo che vorrei diventare un gelatiere?
No, io volevo semplicemente tornare a mangiare il gelato della mia famiglia.
Sì. Dimmi la storia della tua famiglia e questo posto.
Luigi Marseglia si era trasferito a Napoli per lavorare e ha iniziato a lavorare nel caffè Gambrinus, che è il caffè più importante della città. Quindi questa ricetta è passata diciamo da questo suo maestro a lui, e lui l'ha portata poi a Ruvo, perché per amore si trasferisce da Napoli a Ruvo.
Per amore,
per
sempre.
amore.
Ma zio Luigi non è il tuo zio.
È lo zio di mio nonno.
Sì, ok.
È qui che poi parte la storia di Mokambo.
È accogliente dentro, anche perché si sente come cioccolato, si sente buonissimo.
Noi facciamo, tutto quello che noi facciamo lo produciamo. Ogni singolo ingrediente ha, facciamo un esempio, le fave di cacao, ogni singolo ingrediente ha una sfumatura di gusto. Questo cioccolato è indimenticabile.
Pure chocolate. What? There's so much going on, and like literally it's like a wine tasting but with gelato, where you can note the different flavors that you're tasting. And so when Giulia says, yes, this specific cacao bean that we use for this chocolate has notes of mango and all of these. It's like, holy, it does. One flavor they're famous for is their saffron gelato, made with Iranian saffron. This is beautiful. This is the saffron that goes in the king's scepter, and it costs around $65 per gram. That is like unreal to me. This is the saffron cream. It's the cream of the king's scepter. I'm holding 1,250 euro worth of cream right now. Saffron cream, that is. It's turning into gelato in front of my very eyes. An ancient kind of machine to make an ancient kind of gelato. So this is like the super old-fashioned way of doing this. Like I've only seen this in like old-timey movies with like the paddle goes in. It's kind of like in Venice, the gondoliers in the boats. She's like the gelato gondolier.
Because this is the tasting of the king's scepter. So we are talking about the saffron, we are talking about the taste of the saffron, the taste of gelato, but now we are making the full experience because the gelato will meet other ingredients for making this magic happen.
I feel like I'm holding the Mona Lisa in my hands. At this point, I really do. After everything I've just learned about this gelato, about everything that's in it, the thing about gelato that is a piece of art is that it's gonna melt if you don't eat it, so all that's left to do is eat it. Oh my God. If you have 70 euro, this is worth 70 euro. I actually can't think of a better way to spend 70 euro. It's incredible, kind of floral. There are like notes also of like citrus.
Yeah, dude.
It's too fun.
Yeah. Well, it's a little stressful because I don't want it to melt. I don't want to waste any of it, you know? This is so good.
Exactly.
If you're like, oh, this is a gimmick, then split it with like 4 friends so it's cheaper because it's still really stinking good. This saffron gelato is a really, really unique and strong flavor that you'll probably never have. And
Però piano piano abbiamo iniziato a capire che fare un prodotto da zero rende più consapevole il cliente e dà un prodotto migliore.
Sì.
Quindi per questo motivo, visto che la nostra missione è rendere consapevoli i clienti e far assaggiare il gelato esattamente come si faceva un tempo, questo è il nostro obiettivo.
Ooh, I just got to the pistachio paste in the whipped cream, in the panna. It's really good. I might not share. How is today such a good day? It's such a good day. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the channel, subscribe. I feel like Vincenzo has to be with me for this part.
Subscribe to the Katie channel and also subscribe to Mokambo Gelateria.
I'll leave a link in the description box below. Sign up for the Quirky Club and keep it quirky.
Ciao!